Hey and welcome to a new vlog. Today we are at Universal's Stella Nova Hotel here in Orlando, and in this resort review we will share everything you need to know about the hotel. We'll give you a room tour, we'll show you the dining options as well as the amenities, and of course also the walk to the theme park where Epic Universe is very close. We can't wait to share it all with you, and it's time for an adventure. Stella Nova is one of 3 different hotels that opened with the Epic Universe theme park, and this one is going to have a space theming that goes along with it. We love the decorations and the theming on the outside of the building. When you walk in, you're going to have the vast majority of the hotel amenities located right here on the ground floor level. There is luggage storage available if you arrive early and need your bags stored, and directly next to that is the check-in desk. There are some food and bar options down here in addition to the store. They also have a vacation planning center, so if you need park tickets or have any questions about the theme parks, they can assist there. But first, let's start off with the cafe and market that is located right here. The market is going to be your go-to option if you're looking for any grab-and-go type of snacks. They also serve breakfast in the morning and have Starbucks coffee as well. When it comes to the snacks, they have a variety of chips. They do also have a bunch of baked goods, so they have cookies, muffins, pastries, and then they do also have an ice cream counter, so if later in the day you're looking for some hard ice cream, they have a variety of different flavors of that as well. For other grab-and-go items, they do have some fruit and salads, and then in the mornings they do also have breakfast sandwiches. So there was breakfast burritos, egg sandwiches, so a pretty good variety of options that you could pick from here. The cafe is going to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and over here it will be more of a quick service style, so more of something where you could either sit down and enjoy your meal, or you could always get it to go, take it back to the room if you prefer to do that. But you will either order through the app, or you can order right here at the counter. Once you order your food, you will get a buzzer, and once the order is ready, you can come up to this counter and pick up your food. So we found this to be extremely easy. The food was ready pretty quickly. And then directly next to where you pick up your food, there are some beverage options. So they do sell refillable mugs if you'd like to buy one of those for your stay, and you could use that and refill it as many times as you want. They do also have some just hot coffee over here if you'd like that. For food, we tried the chicken pizza, and it had corn, onion, and hot honey on it, and it was actually really good, so we really enjoyed that. And here's just an overview of the seating area in this quick service space. Nova Bar is located right next to the cafe and market, so this is going to be one of 2 bar options located at this hotel. The other one we'll show here in a little bit is located out by the pool. But with this bar space, there are quite a few seats right up at the bar, which is nice, but if you prefer more of a relaxed setting, we appreciate that they have the couch and chair option. And when we were at the bar, we tried 2 different drinks. So the first one that we got is the Supernova. Each of the drinks was $16. This one had whiskey, some cherry syrup, and it's smoked and has a large ice cube. So the presentation of it, with it being smoked and served, was really fun. And the drink Jeff thought was pretty good. And then for the other drink, it is the Capella. So it's going to have Grey Goose vodka, elderflower, and a chipotle pineapple syrup, and it was really nice. Just outside Nova Bar and along the back of the hotel is the pool space, and the pool is actually very large, and there are a ton of seats available, which I appreciate. They also do have a variety of chair options where you have some with umbrellas if you prefer a little bit of shade, or they have ones without umbrellas if you'd rather have some sun. There is a splash pad area, so if you have little ones that are looking to run around in there, that is available. They do also have some games that you can play around the pool area, which I liked. And the pool itself is very large, so plenty of space to swim around and enjoy. Also, if you have little ones, if they need a life vest, those are also located and free and available to use right next to the pool. And here's just a view from up above inside the hotel of the pool space, just to give you an idea of how large it actually is. If you're relaxing and enjoy the pool, there is a food and bar option out here as well. So if you have a seat, you can mobile order directly from your pool seat. and then go over and pick it up at Galaxy Grill. So that's really convenient and easy. The Galaxy Grill is located just on the side of the bar, which we'll show you here in a second, but it's a pickup window, so whenever your order is ready, you can just walk over here and grab your food. We did try just a burger with sweet potato fries from Galaxy Grill, and it was actually really good. So the burger was actually good, the fries were fresh, so we really enjoyed that, and it actually did have a pretty big size menu if you're looking to order from there. And then directly next to the pool and the pickup window is going to be Galaxy Bar. So if you're looking to just grab a cocktail and then go sit by the pool, you can just walk up and grab it to go. Or they do also have quite a few seats that are available here in the bar as well. The bar is also fully shaded, which is nice, so we really appreciate that. And when it came to bar options, they did have a variety of beers that were available on tap. And then they do also have a bunch of different cocktails that you can order from. We tried one of the mocktail smoothies, and it was really good. We did like a pina colada, and Jeff tried one of the mixed drinks, and he enjoyed that. And now for a tour of the hotel rooms. In this hotel, all of the rooms will be a standard room that has 2 queen beds in it. The difference in selecting the room will depend on the type of view that you prefer, whether you prefer a pool view or just a standard view. But when you first walk in, you'll have the bathroom here to the side. There is a shower with a toilet, and then separately you have the sink area. And then coming into the main bedroom space, there are the 2 queen beds. We really love the artwork that they have along the back wall. That definitely ties into the space theming. And the room itself does have quite a bit of space. It can accommodate up to 4 adults, so we did find that between the closet and the area around the bed, there was still plenty of space to store luggage. And across from the beds, you do have a table, a little couch space, as well as the TV. In the room, they also provide a coffee machine and some to-go cups if you want to have a coffee in the room or to go, that's available, as well as a mini fridge. There are some outlets if you want to charge items. And then there is a very large closet with a safe and plenty of space to hang items in here. You do also get benefits from staying at this hotel, including transportation to the theme park as well as early entry into the theme parks. And then also in here, you have some shampoo and conditioner provided as well as soap. And lastly, here's our view. We just had the standard view, so this is an idea what it was like. Going back to the main floor of the hotel, we want to highlight a few other amenities, one of which is a car rental located right on site, which is very convenient if you're looking to get a car while you're here. There is also a store. So in here, they're going to have a variety of merchandise, specifically from Epic Universe, at least for right now. So if you're looking to grab a souvenir last minute or even something that you want to use in the park, you can pop in here. And they did have a lot of different items, which were really fun. One thing that was really nice is they do sell the power-up bands. So this is going to be a band you'll use to interact with the land over in Nintendo World at Epic Universe. So you can grab it here before you head over to the theme park, so that you're ready to go right when you first walk in. You won't have to deal with any lines or queue over there. This is an overview of the whole store, so it is smaller, but again, they did have a really nice variety of merchandise. They have a lot of things from each of the lands over in Epic Universe, in addition to some of the Epic Universe specific merchandise. And then also, if you need anything like medicine or any toiletry type items, they do also have those provided in here as well. So if you forgot to pack something, you can always just stop in the store really quick and grab any of those items that you need. Also located on the ground floor, there is a fitness center, and the fitness center we actually think is really nice. So it has a variety of different weights that if you'd like to do some weight training, they have that available. But personally, our favorite thing is that the cardio machines are all going to be overlooking the pool space. You have a really nice view outside, so you're not just stuck in a small room to the side. We actually really thought they did a great job with kind of the setup here, of where you have great views while you're working out if you'd like to pop in here during your stay and take advantage of that. And then lastly, they do have a arcade, so if you're looking to play or you have kids that want to come in here and play some of the arcade games, there were a variety of different things to check out in here as well. One of the best benefits of staying at this hotel is how easy it is to get to the theme parks, especially Epic Universe. We'll show you that walk here in just a second. But if you prefer not to walk, also right out front of the hotel, there is resort shuttles that are provided. So the first set of buses will take you to Epic Universe, and also they will take you to Volcano Bay. There then are a second set of buses that will come to the second stop that will take you to the other City Walk area and the other theme parks. So those were extremely convenient, and they came very frequently. And then you can walk to Epic Universe. So Jeff and I always prefer walking. So we love this feature of staying at the Stella Nova Resort. Here is the full walk that we did. And with the walk, it takes about 10 minutes. However, the big factor is going to be whether or not you have to wait for the full light here, or if you're able to catch it and just cross straight away. So we unfortunately just missed it. So we waited about 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes in order to be able to cross the light here. But again, if you catch the light, it will make your walk even shorter. But the walk was really nice, and it's very easy to kind of find your way to the park. So this is definitely a nice benefit of the Stella Nova Hotel. I want your overall thoughts about staying at Universal Stella Nova Hotel. We actually really enjoyed it. The rooms were really nice, plenty of space, good outlets. It was easy to come downstairs and have the pool right here and the bars, but hands down, the best part is that you have a really short, about 10-minute walk to the Epic Universe theme park. That is an incredible perk, especially for the price and value of this hotel. Overall, we had a great time staying here. We definitely would recommend it. Thanks for following along with us, and can't wait to bring you on our next adventure.